Hi everyone, this is Natraj. I'm back with the other video. In this video, I'm going to talk about that schedule start and stop for the VM instance using Terraform. To schedule the Google Compute Engine to save the big money. As of now, the GCP Cloud Engine working as the pay-as-you-go model. You only to pay for the time you can use the resource. For example, if you have that scheduling like daily for 2 to 3 per day to use a VM and the remaining hours you keep that stopped state, in this case you only that pay the minor charge for the usage. Required permission to instant scheduler, the compute service agent for your project must having the following privilege: compute instance start to schedule the VM to instant to start, compute instant stop to schedule the VM instant to stop. So this permission is required. I moving to that documentation page. We are at that GCP document page. So you can see here, according to the documentations, we have to enable that following privilege to as scheduling the start and stop the activity. So I'm moving to the Visual Studio Code. We are at the Visual Studio Code. The entire code is available in my repository. You can clone from any time. In this video, it is a continuation of my previous video. If you are not watching my previous video, could you please watch it out? My previous video I'll talk about that most of the things, the few things only I'm going to talk about. You can see I think the schedule.tf file and main.tf file only I'm adding some of the things. So the particular things only I'm going to cover this video. Schedule.tf file. The first one is the data source. I'm grabbing that by project ID. The next resource is that Google Compute Resource Policy. It mainly used to attach the policy to the resource and schedule the action for my resource basis. You can see I think the instance schedule policy. I created two policy, one for VM start schedule, next one is the VM stop schedule. The VM start schedule, the value grab from my variable I using the map functions. So here you can see thing the same like that. The stopping schedule also I am grabbing the value from my variable section. The time zone I am mentioning with that Asia Pacific zone. Next resource is that Google project IMA custom role. I am creating the two customized role according to the documentation recommendations. First one is the compute instance start. Next one is the compute instance stop. So once the role is creation, then I am going to associate the role to the member level. You can see I think the member whatever the suggestion, the documentation and that specific agent member level only I am associated it. Next resource is that the time sleeps. So this during the creations of that the role it takes some time. So I'm making the delay for that creation the instance. So moving to the main.tf file. In this main.tf file, the only two things only added. As I said earlier, the dependent on I make it that time interval between that API creations and the instant creations. You can see I think the resource policies, whatever the scheduler I created, I defined here. So we'll moving to the terminal to execution that Terraform operations. I'm going to click the three dot, click the terminal, new terminal. So already I execute the Terraform init command, so I'm skipping this particular command. Directly I can execute the Terraform apply command. Just I am elaborate the screen. Yeah, you can say I think the 9 resource going to add, 0 changes, 0 destroys. The plus mark is indicating as that the new resource going to add. So it asking the user input, just I can provide the yes. Now the instance and the scheduling creation is going on. Yeah, my Terraform operation successfully completed. I'm moving to the GCP console page. So we are at the GCP console. I choose my project ID where I am created the instance. Just I click the navigation menu. Compute engine. I choose with the VM instance. Yes, the VM is visible here. Cloud root 7.demo. Yeah, you can see I think the instance scheduler. Click that instance scheduler. click the uptime scheduler. Yeah, you can see the description and the starting time and the stopping time. The 6 a.m. will be start, and 12 a.m. will be going to stop. It be every day. So this is the attachment about that instance. That's it. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.